Today, we're going to talk about finding equivalent fractions using the example of 9/15. An equivalent fraction is a fraction that represents the same quantity or value when expressed in a simpler form or when both the numerator and denominator are scaled by the same factor. To find an equivalent fraction, we need to identify a number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator. This number is called a common factor. Let's look at the numerator and denominator. 9 and 15. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. The greatest common factor is 3. Now, we can write an equivalent fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor, which is 3. The fraction 3/5 is equivalent to 9/15. Now, let's find other equivalent fractions. We can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same factor to find equivalent fractions. Note that, regardless of whether you're dividing or multiplying, equivalent fractions represent the same portion of a whole. This technique can help simplify fractions or express them differently without changing their value. And there you have it. This is how to find equivalent fractions. Thank you for watching.